Understanding and organizing with a wrench organizer. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic, especially if you enjoy keeping your tools neat and tidy. We'll be discussing what a wrench organizer is and how it can make your life easier. Whether you're a professional mechanic or just someone who loves DIY projects, understanding and using a wrench organizer can save you time and prevent frustration. A wrench organizer is a tool storage solution designed to neatly store and organize your wrenches. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, but their primary purpose is the same: to keep your wrenches in order, easily accessible, and protected from damage. Wrench organizers might be pouches, racks, or even magnetic holders that you can attach to your tool chest or workshop wall. Wrench organizers come in different types, each with its own set of advantages. Here are a few common ones. 1. Wall-mounted racks. These organizers are fixed on the wall and can hold a large number of wrenches, making them visible and easily accessible. 2. Drawer inserts. Designed to fit into your tool chest drawer, these keep your wrenches in place and neatly organized. 3. Pouches or rolls. Ideal for portability. These fabric organizers have individual slots for each wrench and can be rolled up and carried around. Using a wrench organizer has several benefits. 1. Efficiency. Save time by quickly finding the right size wrench for the job. 2. Protection. Keep your wrenches in good condition, preventing them from getting scratched or damaged. 3. Space saving. Organizers keep your wrenches compactly stored, freeing up space in your workshop. 4. Safety. Reduce the risk of accidents by keeping wrenches neatly stored instead of scattered around. That's all about wrench organizers. They may seem like a simple tool, but they're a game changer in keeping your workspace organized and your workflow efficient. We hope this video helps you understand the value of a good wrench organizer in your toolkit. Stay organized and see you in the next one.